Yo guys, this is your artist Tolgard, and today I will draw an epic custom drawing for Adam. This is the first ever order from Adam, and he wanted Goku Mastered Ultra Instinct doing a deadlift. If you don't know what a deadlift is, it's a powerlifting and bodybuilding exercise where you can move the heaviest weight possible. You are using a long bar, putting the weights on the side and lifting that from the floor. Adam wanted Goku from the front, lifting the heavy weight and being very muscular and veiny and also in rage. So that fits perfectly into my drawing style. And guys, there is a very important thing. We are getting closer to reach 400,000 subscribers on this channel, which is unbelievable. So if you are new here, make sure to subscribe right now and help me to reach this amazing goal. I would really appreciate it. As for the drawing, I drew this completely from the mind. I just used a reference for the completed position of the deadlift, as I never drew this before. And even though this is a more or less simple front pose, it was kinda difficult to draw Goku like that with the long bar in his hands. The sketch took me a bit longer than I thought, but main thing, the sketch turned out amazing at the end. And guys, I have to use this opportunity to thank all of the people who are ordering these amazing drawings and with which you support me in an outstanding way. You are amazing, guys. Apart from tutorials, I want to keep videos like this pretty short, so if you want to redraw these drawings, I would be happy to see all of you on my real-time drawing channel. Over there I'm uploading all of these drawings in real time without any increased speed, so you can follow me step by step very easy. So make sure to subscribe to my real-time drawing channel as well, guys. As I said so many times, inking is my favorite part in drawing, especially the second layer of ink. There I like to give the characters the main details and highlights, which I think is one of my main characteristics. And as this is a custom drawing, I always ask the client, in this case Adam, if he is happy with the sketch. And when he says yes, I continue with the inking. Same thing when I'm about to start the coloring or doing the backgrounds. And guys, if you also have some great ideas which you want me to draw for you, you can contact me on Instagram so we can talk about your custom drawing. For the coloring, I'm using alcohol markers with color pencils today, so the skin of Goku has more volume. First we are using the marker as a foundation, and then we are going over with the color pencils lightly and using lots of layers. We don't want to press too hard with the pencils, just keep it light and professional. In the info box below, I provided some direct Amazon links to the exact same materials I'm using, so you don't have to search for them. If you are ordering something through these links, you can also support me without any additional costs to you. So make sure to check that out as well, guys. And guys, what is really important for me is that you guys being more active in the comments section. With more likes on these videos and with more comments, YouTube will recommend my videos more, and that way I can reach a bigger audience, which will be amazing. So make sure to like these videos so we can reach at least 1000 likes, and make sure to leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it, guys. I also get so many messages of people who would like to get a custom drawing but unfortunately can't afford them at the moment. For cases like these, I got an online shop where you can get some high quality prints of my drawings for a very reasonable price. So if that's something you're interested in, you can check that out by using the link in the info box. So guys, we are getting closer to the end. As this is a custom drawing for Adam, he decided that he doesn't want a background for this, as he wants to print this drawing on some t-shirts, which is an amazing idea. So as soon as Adam is ready with those t-shirts, I will definitely show them to you guys. So guys, last touch and then the custom Goku deadlift drawing for Adam is done. I think it turned out great. As I said, bringing Goku in this position was quite challenging, but I think the end result is really good. Adam is very happy with his custom drawing, and that's the most important. Alright guys, now I want to know your opinion on this drawing. How do you like it? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like the video to help me reach a bigger audience, and subscribe to my channel if you are new, so we can reach 400,000 subscribers very soon. All the links to my materials, the prints, my Instagram, my real-time drawing channel are all in the info box below. That's it guys, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.